Hello my darlings, welcome to a new vlog. We've got a really fun couple of days ahead. I'm heading up, or actually down, to Chewton Glen this afternoon. It is a brand press trip and it's going to be really lovely. We're staying in one of the tree houses, so I can't wait to take you along there. But this morning I am basically packing for that and also packing for our Maldives trip. So thought I'd vlog the whole process. I'm currently in my dressing gown, although I have done my makeup, because while I'm packing, obviously the Maldives you pretty much only wear kind of swimwear and very light dresses, so it's really easy to just pop them on and, you know, make sure that it's definitely something you want to take. I am going to try and take a smaller suitcase with me, but I think I said that before the ski trip and then I ended up taking a massive one, so maybe I should just pack the massive one from the word go and then that'll save me a bit of time. Yes, probably. Do I have anything to update you on? Oh yes, actually, so last night, or yesterday afternoon, I got back from Manchester, had a lovely overnight stay with Elemis to celebrate the launch of their Glossy Box. So Glossy Box have a limited edition Elemis box. By the time this video goes up, it will most probably have sold out because it was, or is, an insane deal. It's basically £180 worth of Elemis products for £40, but I believe they only have a few thousand, so it probably will have sold out, but I will leave it linked down below. So when I got back from Manchester, I went to the organic pharmacy, which is basically now my favourite place. All of their treatments are amazing. Last week I had a health assessment where they don't take any blood or anything, they basically like connect your pulse points up to this machine and it reads your body and it can tell you any intolerances that you've got, anything like any foods that you might need a little bit more of. It can tell you about your stress levels. It was so fascinating. I apparently am lactose sensitive, not intolerant, but lactose sensitive, gluten sensitive. I don't drink enough water, which I already knew. I need to get better at that. I need to cut down on my coffee a tiny bit. I need to have more flaxseed, more kale, and she's recommended some vitamins for me. So I actually have a whole new supplement routine, which I'm going to really try to stick to, because I always get really excited by new vitamins and things like that, but I'm not very good at sticking to it. So I'm really going to try this time. Hopefully it'll stop me from getting poorly. And then yesterday, so I went back for, I think it's called like the green coffee detox massage. Massage is not the right word. Body treatment, I would say. It was not like painful, but not a relaxing massage by any stretch. It is a really super firm, like digging massage where they attack any areas, not that I would say that I'm fat, but any areas of fat buildup on the body, like around your thighs, on the sides of your tummy, and they like pummel away at it. Basically helps to get everything circulating. So I've got to drink a load of water today to like flush all the toxins out of my system. I have woken up with quite a few bruises on my bum and on my legs. She did say that it was likely to happen, so I might see if we're gonna have a super quick bath later with some arnica salts in just to put that down. But at the at Chewton Glen later, we've got some yoga and I think we've got a massage tomorrow as well, so hopefully that'll sort me out. But I do feel instantly more toned from this treatment, which is amazing considering it was just I think it was a 45-minute treatment. So I'll let you know how I get along with that. Might go back for another one. You are recommended to have a course of 6. But anyway, I only have a few hours at home this morning to get my packing done and get some work done, so I'm going to get my suitcases down from the loft and get started. And made myself a breakfast smoothie. Suddenly just got really stressed that I have 2 hours and this is literally the only time I have to pack and get work done and stuff before we go away on Saturday. I've just booked on Secret Spa someone to come over tomorrow night when I'm back after the Chewton Glen trip to come and do my eyelashes, because this eye has lasted really well, but lots of my individual lash extensions on this eye have fallen out. So I don't have time to go to my Prima lashes, so I've got someone coming to the house and they're going to do a brow tint as well. I just booked that, and then also a spray tan. I also just undid some blogger mail and I've been very kindly sent, this is from a company called Berry Burst, and apparently they are CBD gummies, and I'm a big fan of CBD and gummies, so they taste pretty good as well. It's exactly what I need right now because I'm starting to get a bit stressed. Okay, so I've put most of the clothes in the suitcase. As I'm like dashing about, I might find a few more clothes. I know that I've got my Zimmermann beautiful scalloped shorts somewhere that I haven't found yet, so I need to put those in, and probably some more footwear pieces. But what I'm going to do now is put in the other stuff like my gym gear, my cameras, my chargers, my hair tools. So yeah, I'm just going to have a little scurry around and pick up all of those kinds of pieces. I'm just looking around thinking what else I need to take. Fake tan, jewellery. I need to sort out my jewellery, so I'm going to do that next. Also in my blogger mail was this. It is a new travel pouch, perfect timing, from Missima. So they obviously have the most beautiful jewellery, which you guys see me wearing all the time, and they very kindly sent me this jewellery pouch. As you can see, it's got little sections for when you want to keep your rings and your necklaces and everything safe. And this one is actually personalised. It's got a little JF on the top there. So I'm probably going to choose some of my gold pieces, like my Missimas, and some pearl and shell pieces, because that's what I tend to wear when we are on holiday. So this very messy looking pile here is some of my extra pieces. I have got my workout clothing and also some fitness bands. They're really easy to obviously pack and good for doing workouts on your balcony. My aeroplane slippers, I will pop my little sausage dog socks on while I'm on the plane, but if I'm going to do a little bit of exploring or going to the bathroom, then I'll pop my slippers on. This is a Kerastase shampoo, which is actually specifically for after sun. And in here, very thoroughly wrapped up, is my purple shampoo for toning. This is my newest bikini. It is from Peony. I got that from the Net Sustain section on Net-a-Porter. Corksicle, 9 hours hot coffee cup, and an insulated water bottle. I've got my Elemis collagen eye masks, really good for wearing on the plane, and a silk eye mask as well. Valentino sandals, my Nicholas Kirkwood flats for travelling in, and my Tory Burch flip-flops. This is my laundry bag, so I'll just put all of my dirty laundry in here. If I need to get it done while we're away, then I can just give them this. But it's also one of these micro waste bags, so it captures any kind of chemicals or fibres on your garments and stops it going into the water. Avon Skin So Soft, this is also an amazing anti-mosquito spray. And then I've got my Steamery clothes steamer, because a lot of the clothes in here will actually crease up quite badly while we're travelling. Oh, and this bag, which is going to be my beach bag for the trip. Okay, I have not finished packing, but I have done a good chunk of it, so I'm just now getting ready to go. I let my hair dry naturally last night, so if you ever happen to wonder what my completely natural hair state is, it's basically straight but frizzy, so I can't really be bothered to do too much with it. So I'm just going to whiz through with the GHD Glide and hopefully make it look a little bit more presentable. I'm going to try and find center parting. So as you can see, that's just taken all the frizz out of my hair, and while my hair is this length, I don't mind having it straight. Normally I really don't think it suits me having it straight, but I've been quite enjoying just having straight but not like poker straight hair, just popping it behind my ears, and then when I add my sunglasses, because the sun is coming out, then I feel like this is a very chic look. Okay, finishing touches makeup wise, this is a brow and lash clear gel from a collection called You Do You, and it's perfect if you just want to like set and brush up your brows. A little bit of lip liner. And then this is the Sweeter Than Honey, really lovely moisturising lipstick from Origins. I always like to finish with a face mist. This one is the Cordially Beauty Elixir. There's actually not that much left in this one, so I'm going to pop that one in my suitcase. I'll finish that up on holiday. Some perfume, Flower Bomb. I am using a mixture of this and Flower Bomb Dew at the moment, but my camera is currently sat on Flower Bomb Dew as a tripod. I'm just going to run into the bedroom and pop some earrings on, and then we are ready to go. Arrived at Chewton Glen. I'm with my fellow blondie.
Polar bear.
Oh yeah, we're both so cozy. We have just had a little welcome briefing from Molton Brown about their new collection, which I'll show you shortly. But we're very excited because we're about to go and see our treehouse.
I think we're conjoined.
I think we are going to be conjoined. I'm so excited. Do you know what? I think this might be the same treehouse I stayed in last time. We've arrived. So this treehouse is absolutely spectacular. I have this whole place to myself. We are absolutely spoilt rotten. As you just saw from that little quick tour, it is just gorgeous in here. We've got a hot tub on the outside, balcony area. I didn't bring a bikini though, so I might just go in my underwear or something later. I'm not sure, definitely not going to miss out on that. But before I get into my yoga gear, because we've got a meditative sound bath experience next, I'm going to quickly show you my outfit of the day. Also, I just have to say, I just had one of these cookies, and I think it was the best cookie I've ever had in my life. Oh my goodness. These flowers are just so beautiful. Serious wedding flower inspo. Some more products here from the range. I'm going to be taking these into the bathroom because I'm definitely going to have a nice soak in the tub later with the new Milk Musk collection. Outfit of the day, I just went nice and cozy, which works very well for the new Molton Brown collection because it's all about pureness, gentleness and comfort. So I have got on, I'm not sure if you can even see in the sunlight, my little brown Reese boots, my little shearling gilet type coat, which I love, the little YSL bag, which I'm getting so much use out of. Just going to pop that down there. And then I have got just a nice little cashmere jumper on, these little pearl hoop earrings, which are actually from Topshop. And then, surprise, surprise, my French Connection leggings, because they are just the most comfortable things in the world. So we've even got a little eye mask down here by the bed with the Milk Musk candle. I mean, look, waking up to this view, oh my goodness. The Spirit Animal book, interesting, or the Spirit Almanac. Oh, a modern guide to ancient self-care. Oh my god, I love things like this. All about essential oils. Oh my goodness. I can't wait to have a flick through that. And look at this bathroom. We have got a Molton Brown diffuser. Ooh, I don't recognise this packaging. This is the Nurturing Shampoo and Conditioner with Cloudberry. What gorgeous packaging. Molton Brown were also saying that they're about to partner up with Loop, so you can basically get your empties refilled. I will let you know more about that when we know more. This is a nice little exfoliating mitt. Bath with a view. Oh my goodness. And what range do we have here? Orange and bergamot. Absolutely gorgeous. Oh my goodness. So we're about to have our sound bath meditation session. We're in one of the rooms in the spa, and this is the setup. As you can see, there's two quite big gongs and then these metal balls which make the most relaxing noise. So we're going to snuggle up, do some deep breathing and relax. So I've just come back from our sound bath experience, and the actual bath in our room has been poured for us. What do you call it? Drawn? The bath has been drawn with some beautiful petals inside, and the Molten Brown Milk Musk candle has been lit. There's a bottle of champagne, although before I realised this was here, I made myself a coffee. So I'm going to have a coffee now and the champagne later. In the bath, we have got the Milk Musk bath and shower gel. So I'm going to have a wonderful soak, and I'll catch up with you just before dinner. After our delightful bath, we've now come to dinner. This room is giving me serious wedding table vibes, serious inspo. Cotton plants, there's lots of pampas flower, pink and white roses. It is stunning. And on the table is of course the Milk Musk candle from Molten Brown, and I've just spotted that we have a little personalised poem on our place settings as well, so let me show you mine. Darling Josie, our pretty and pink friend, your classic chic and always on trend, living in Clapham with Charlie too, and your sausage dogs that mean the world to you. Treat your senses with Molten Brown's Milk Musk today. Our most gentle collection is coming your way. So adorable. Morning, darlings. Gosh, I don't think I even spoke to the camera yesterday. I was in a bit of a state of bliss, a state of chill at, there we go, a state of chill at Shooting Glen. So we had our amazing Molten Brown oil massages in the spa. Em and I went and did a little workout in the gym. And then we just had a really nice lunch and chilled in our tree houses. I lit a fire, and yeah, we had a very lovely chilled morning at Shooting Glen. Came home on the train, and then I had booked myself a lash appointment and a brow appointment and a spray tan through Secret Spa at home, which was very convenient. Although annoyingly something went wrong with my spray tan. Basically, while I was having my lashes done, my phone pinged and it was like, thank you for cancelling your spray tan. And I was like, no, I don't want it to be cancelled. And long story short, I've basically been charged twice. So I've ended up spending £90 on a spray tan, which is ridiculous. So I'm hoping that they're going to sort that out, because otherwise I will not be using Secret Spa again. Anyway, so this morning I went to a workout, did a HIIT class, and then went to London Grace and got my nails done. I got a slightly lighter shade than usual. This is Naked Navette, or Naked Nevete, I think it's called. So bronzed hands and nice new nails. I'm very pleased with. I thought I would very quickly show you my travel outfit before we go. Obviously today is all about comfort. We have 9 hours long haul flight ahead of us, and then obviously the seaplanes once we get to the Maldives. So I've just got on a big cozy cashmere jumper, a little lighter coloured vest top underneath, and then my cashmere leggings from Sweaty Betty, and I always fly in my little Aladdin shoes. Got my hand luggage, my Valentino bag, got a little lunchbox prepared with in-flight snacks, all my bits and bobs, all my liquids. And then I have got my little bricks suitcase with my blanket and a change of clothes for when we land. Charlie has also just done breakfast and made a ginger and orange juice, which will hopefully stop us from getting any colds during the flight. And we've obviously got our anti-bac things with us to prevent any bugs hopefully entering our systems. So obviously makeup free this morning. My brows are looking a little bit dark, but I think they'll lighten up after a few days, hopefully by the time we get there. I know that La Mer do like free 10-minute treatments at the airport, so I might try and sneak in for one of those so I can have all the lovely ingredients working their magic on my face while we fly. I'm going to wrap the vlog up here. Thank you so much for watching. The next one will of course be a Maldives vlog. I'm so excited to just feel some sunshine on my body. I cannot wait. So I will see you very soon in the next one. Bye.